Hello, today I'm going to show you how to adjust your notifications. So to begin, you can select what notifications you want to adjust in this drop-down menu. You just click the drop-down and you'll see a range of options to adjust which specific term that you are adjusting notifications for. As you can see, I have Pre-Professional Center here. I have courses from my fall 2020 semester. I have my spring courses. So for this, we will just click Anatomy and Physiology 2. And it takes me to this new page that shows me the notifications for Anatomy and Physiology 2. Now I can enable the notifications with this button entirely. If I have it on, then my notification settings will be on for the course. If I turn it off, then my specifications will not apply. So as you can see here, I can adjust various parts of the notifications. For instance, whether or not the due date will be emailed to me, or whether or not I will get a push notifications on my devices, be it mobile device or what have you. I also have notifications for grading policy, course content, files, announcements, announcements created by me, grading, invitations, and all submissions, as well as various other parts of the Canvas course. So all you would need to do is to click onto a notification post for it to be emailed to you, hence for files. I can choose whether it can notify me immediately, give me a daily summary, give me a weekly summary, or if I can have the notifications off entirely. Likewise, I can do this the same with the calendar.